Hello students, Geography of India. This is our fourth paper and second chapter of this paper is Physical Division of India. And today we are going to focus upon the plains of India. The plains, how to occur this plain region because of the northernmost part of the India. In most of the northern part of India there is located the Himalaya and most of rivers are origin from this Himalaya, and these rivers are flow from high land to lower land, and that's why they from like as this mountain region the rivers which are flow towards the eastward and towards the westward. These are the eastward river like as Ganga is most important river is there. Then Yamuna is there. This Ganga and Yamuna river create this means this eroded material is deposited near to the foothills of this Himalaya. That's why same as into the western part of this mountain region, the river like this is the Indus river and her tributaries Ravi, Bias, Chenab, Satluj. These rivers also erode this Himalaya, and this eroded material is deposited near to the foothills of this Himalaya. So into the after the mountain region, this plain region has been start. Okay. And due to the deposition of this river, this great plain of India has been formed. This plain region is divided into the several parts. First is Western Plain. This Western Plain is mostly known as the Sindh Plain. It mostly fall into the Pakistan, and this formed due to the Bhangar Plains. Bhangar means it's old depositions of the rivers. They are also classified into the two parts. Dors, dors means long, narrow depression which are the remnants of the course of former rivers. This is a former rivers deposition known as the dors. And down is the alkaline lakes on some dors. Whereas some dors is like as the oxbow lake types of the depositional features of the river. They are mostly located in this part. Then Rajasthan Plain is the second part of this plain, and it's occupied by the Thar or the Great Indian Desert. This plain is undulating plain. Means most of the region of this region is like as a plain. This 325 meter is the height of this plain. It's called as a Marustali, and most of the part is fall into the Marwar plain. It is a part of Peninsula Plateau. Marustali is a rocky while its western part is covered by the shifting sand dunes. Marustali is located into the Rajasthan. It's the most plain area, and its western part is covered by the shifting sand dunes. Third desert up to Aravalli range is a semi-arid plain known as the Rajasthan Bangar, or it's a Bagar. It's also known as a Bangar. Short seasonal streams originate from the Aravalli and support agriculture in some patches of fertile patches. There are very few. Well, these are the seasonal rivers which is originate into this Aravalli region into the monsoon period, and very small strip of the fertile has been found in this Rajasthan plain. Luni is an important seasonal stream which is a flow into the run of Kutch. The tract north of the Luni is known as the Thali or sandy plain. The northern part of this river is known as the Thali. The another important part of this plain is Punjab Plain. It's formed by the rivers of Indus system. 1.75 lakh square kilometer area is formed by this Indus river, and the elevation of this plain is up to 250 meter from mean sea level. and made up of the Doab. Doab means the region which is lying between the two rivers. The Punjab means the land of five rivers. The Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj and Bias. These are the four important rivers and the region between these five rivers known as the Punjab. The eastern boundary of this Punjab plain is Delhi Aravalli range. Then northern part of this plain is Shivalik range or the Shivalik hills, and southernmost part of this Punjab plain is demarcated by Malwa plain of Punjab. The area between Ghaggar and Yamuna, often termed as Haryana tract, means the area between the Ghaggar and Yamuna river is a Haryana tract. It's also one plain region. Panipat is an example of this tract. Then Ganga Plain. It's from Delhi to Kolkata about 3.75 lakh square kilometer area, and this is the world most plain region and world most fertile land is located here. The tributary builds his extensive plains. I mean, not only the Ganga but its tributary also play important role into this deposition. The peninsular rivers such as the Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Son are the main tributaries. They play important role for the formation of this plain. Slope is east and southeast. This region slope is east to southeast. And the river flow sluggishly in the lower section of the Ganga, as a result of which is the area is marked by the local prominence such as the levees, bluffs, oxbow lake, marshes and ravines. Means these rivers are flow sluggishly because of the most plain area. Where the rivers are predominantly flow means a stream flow or is recorded high, there is a high we can say there is a like as a topography, whereas the very up and downs is there. That time you can find out the high velocity of river, but it's so topmost almost the plain region. So these are these fluvial landforms of the deposition has been observed into this region. Almost all the rivers keep on shifting their courses in this part because of the deposition of this river is responsible for that one. The Kosi River is a very notorious in this respect. It has long been called the sorrow of Bihar because of she always change her path of the flow, and due to that the most of the people lost their life, their crops and animals and all of things. Then Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. This is a very eastern part of the this plain region. It's fall into the Assam. So this is the largest delta into the world, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Mostly the West Bengal, then our some part of Bihar and the Myanmar, this country, Bangladesh, sorry, is being the part of this river's delta. The Ganga River divides itself into the several channels into the delta area. The slope and land is mere up to 2 centimeter per kilometer is means totally flatness of this area has been shown. 2/3 of the area is below 30 meter above mean sea level. Only 30 meter mean sea level height of this region has been recorded. The seaward face of delta is studded with the large number of estuaries and mud flats, mangrove swamps, sandbanks, islands and forelands. Means in this area most of the dominance has been found estuaries, mud flats, mangrove swamps, sandbanks, islands and for lands. The large part of the coastal delta is covered tidal forest. Means there is a dominance of the tidal forest because of the availability of water. And this is called as the Sundarban because of the Sundari types of the shrubs has been grown in this area. These are the plains, Sindh plains, Punjab plains, then middle plains and the eastern plain is known as the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. And last is the Brahmaputra Plain. This is known as the Brahmaputra Valley or Assam Plain. It's situated into the western part of this India. Its western boundary is formed by the Indo-Bangladesh border as well as the boundary of the lower Ganga Plain is known as the Brahmaputra Plain. It is the aggregational plain built up by the depositional work of Brahmaputra and its tributary. Tista is the most important tributary of this river. In enumerable, the tributaries of Brahmaputra river coming from the north from the number of the alluvial fans. Consequently, the tributaries branch out in many channels giving birth of the river meandering leading to the formation of Bill and Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake is depositional features of the river has been found in this area because of the totally flatness is responsible for that one. There are the large marshy tracts in this area. The alluvial fans formed by the coast alluvial debris have led to the formation of Tarai and semi-Tarai conditions. Tarai and semi-Tarai conditions mean near to the foothills of the Himalaya. This is a swampy type of the land has been observed. Such type of the land has been observed into the Brahmaputra plain. Then what is the significance of this plain? This plain is one of the fourth of the land of the country hosts half of the Indian population. India's most of population is carried by this plain because of its most fertile. Then fertile alluvial soil is a great significance of this land. Flat surface, slow moving perennial rivers and favorable climate facilitate intense agriculture activity. Another importance of or the significance of these rivers or the plains are the extensive use of irrigation has made Punjab, Haryana, western part of UP and granary of India. The entire plain except the Thar desert has close network to road and rails which has led to large scale industrialization and urbanization. This is the significance of this plain. Then cultural tourism. There are many religious places are located in this region, so the accessibility is good observed into this region. So for the Hindus, not only Hindus but all types of the religion or the religious places are famous in this plain. Thank you very much.